Oh, here we are. I want to explain a few things for you. Just a couple. Okay. There was a couple of places this wrench, only this side would work, only on one bolt. That would be this bolt right here. That was when I went to get it off. I had to stick this one in kind of sideways at this end. And the same on the top one. But to fix that, I did this. I got this nice thin wrench. This really nice thin wrench that I put a bend in so that I can get it in the top and in at this end over here. Box end worked over there. But on these other two, I had to custom bend a wrench. So, now we're putting the torque to the pitman arm. It says 100 to 150 foot-pounds. I'm going with 130. And we're going to hope that it's on. We're going to find out here real soon, buddy. Here we go. This is a clicker type torque wrench. So we should... That's some pressure. Yeah, buddy. It ain't clicking yet. Holy cow. So now it looks like I gotta put my foot up in here. There's my click, 130. Shall we try it again? Yeah, you know it's on there. Go just a tad more. There we go. There you go. Says it's on it. I'm pretty sure I got it in its grooves. So technically, I should have steering now. You know what that means? Yeah, I bet you do. That means I can pull it out of this hole and put it back up on the top where I can work on this thing easier. Oh yeah, torque wrench, baby. Okay, kids, here we go. We're driving. Now, as you can tell, I'm turning even though the wheel is straight. Right. So that means something ain't right as far as the straightness, see? So what we need to do is try to pull this thing straight in and see if we got to rotate this steering column. So here we go again. We got to straighten it out. So that seems to be rolling straight right there. And the wheel is definitely off. But I got my truck back up here at the top of the hill. It's easier to work on. I can get it up on jack stands, figure it out. All right, kids. So, steering wheel ain't exactly right. That's suckoless. But that means we got to look under here and see what's going on under here. Yeah. Well. Yep. It looks to me like we got to change the... we got to put these back here where I had them because I changed them last night. So we got to put these back to here, and this column will rotate a quarter turn, which should be about, I'm pretty sure a quarter turn would be, but I tell you what, that steering box turns so much easier now. So that should be right about where it belongs. And that should be just about, yep, right where I, yep. Well, you just got to change it around. Doesn't make sense though, because these things are supposed to be in the main steel, and they are. But if I move these to the top, I don't know. I might have to pull the steering wheel and straighten it out. That might be the problem. Because everything went right in the way it was. That's straight, just the way it's supposed to be. So I got a feeling I got to pop the wheel off. That'd be the best bet. So there you go. Johnny's back up in the yard, man. Woo! Yeah, little adjustments. I think I gotta get a wheel puller and change the wheel. The wheel might have been rotated for them the last time. They, you know, because this thing's been apart before, and it wasn't put back together right. But right now, Pitman arm is on. Everything is good and tight. No slop. So we good. Alrighty, kids. Round 16, part 6 is complete. Well, just a little thing now, man. Like I said, I'll probably have to pull that wheel off, and I got a puller that'll do it. So I can get the wheel off and rotate it to where it belongs, which is right where it's sitting right now. You know? Yeah. Okay. There we go.